Welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change currency in AnCrypto application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open AnCrypto application on your device. You may need to type in your 4-digit PIN here. Now click on the profile icon, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Here you can see Change Currency tab at the middle of the screen. Click on it. Now select any currency from here. After selecting, you want to click on S button. So, as you can see that your currency has been changed. To revert it back, you can follow the same steps. Simply go on your profile icon and click on Change Currency and select the currency you want. So that is how you can change currency in AnCrypto. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.